this is a special day for you, because up there on the table is a hat, many hats. And that will symbolize that soon you'll be finishing your time in the prep school and you'll be moving on into the junior school. And these hats represent that. And these hats carry a lot of story and tradition. And that's what you have entered into as well. Congratulations to our children in Year 2 for this big step in your lives. We are so proud of you and can't wait to see the wonderful things that will happen next. Thank you very much.